Subscribe to AI Adventures on YouTube channel for nature travel trips, photo safaris, ecotourism destination, and nature photography tips. For lovers of nature photography, amateurs or professionals, we have great news. At the end of October 23, we will have a photography workshopping with Canadian super photographer Isabel. 7 intense days in the Brazilian Pantanal in search of the jaguar and other beautiful species of Brazilian fauna. Your visit contributes to the preservation of the local fauna, boosting the economy with sustainable ecotourism. Contacting us for more information. Wetlands, places where the land is covered by water, either salt, fresh, or somewhere in between, cover just over 6% of the Earth's land surface. Springlet throughout every continent except Antarctica. They provide food, clean drink water, and refuge for countless people and animals around the world. Despite their global significance, an estimated one half of all wetlands on the planet have disappeared. Amid the loss, one specific wetland stands out, the Pantanal. At more than 42 million acres, the Pantanal is the largest tropical wetland and one of the most pristine in the world. It sprawls across three South American countries, Bolivia, Brazil, and Paraguay, and supports millions of people there, as well as communities in the lower Rio de la Plata basin. The Pantanal is larger than 29 US states and at least 9 European countries. The areas that are protected are globally significant, which parts that fall under an agreement called HAMSAR that requires national governments to conserve and wisely use wetlands, and some that are UNESCO World Heritage Sites and Biosphere Reserves. Around 95% of the Pantanal is under private ownership, the majority of which is used for cattle grazing.